Hey friend, let's picture this together. In traditional Chinese villages, as the sun set, thin whispers of smoke would rise from every chimney. The family hearth wasn't just for cooking. It was the center of life, warmth, and gratitude. Today our kitchen might look different, but the same longing for warmth hasn't changed. So let's look at the modern kitchen, not as decoration, but as the energy heart of our home. In Feng Shui, the kitchen represents transformation. Where raw things becomes nourishment is where fire turns into care and food becomes family. In the old days, the fire symbolized life itself. To lose it was to lose warmth, community, and connection. So when you think of your stove, don't just see it as an appliance. See it as the modern hearth, the place where your home's energy is born every day. Even though the kitchen is full of heat and movement, in Feng Shui, it's actually considered a yin space because its purpose is nourishment, not action. But yin always needs yang for balance. That means light, fresh air, and cleanliness. A bright, ventilated, tidy kitchen lifts the whole home's spirit. And from a scientific view, it's the same. Dark, damp, or cluttered space affect our mood and health. So open the windows, let in light, and never leave trash overnight. That's how you invite yang qi into the heart of your home. Now, here's where it gets interesting. The kitchen holds two opposite powers, fire and water. Your stove is the fire element, the ancient hearth. A kitchen where the stove is alive, where you smell real food, always feels warm and prosperous. But when we really cook, the house feels a little cold, like its heartbeat is missing. The sink is water, flowing, cleansing, essential. In Feng Shui, we need both, but we also need them to get along. So, try not to place them side by side or directly opposite. If you can, put the countertop of a space between them, a peaceful neutral zone. In the I Ching, this harmony of opposite is called Ji, water and fire in perfect balance. It's one of the most auspicious patterns of all. A few simple things to check. Avoid a washing machine or wet laundry right across from the stove. Fire qi and water qi clash when they face each other. Also look for hole with all doors lined up directly with the stove. That straight rush of energy can disturb the sense of calm while cooking. And please, fix any leaking faucet. In Feng Shui, leaking water doesn't just waste resources. It's like wealth slowly dripping away. In the end, kitchen Feng Shui is about nourishment. It's not the luxury of your fitness. It's the love behind each meal. Keep your stove bright and clean. Clear your countertops. Let air and light flow, and add something alive. Maybe a bowl of fruit or a small pot of herbs. These little gestures invite abundance qi. They remind us that energy, like food, is something we make fresh every day. When we cook with warmth and attention, we restore the energy that supports life itself. So tonight, maybe light your stove, cook something simple, and feel the qi rising from within. And in our next video, we explore the most important Feng Shui principle, backing and bright hole, why feeling supported and open makes every space comes alive. If you enjoy this, please consider subscribing, leaving a comment to share your thoughts, or passing it along to someone who loves mindful spaces. Your support helps Feng Shui wisdom reach more people. See you in the next one.